Hello! Welcome students! In this topic, we will learn about how to construct corner joints on 3 mm thick mild steel sheet in horizontal position by gas metal arc welding process.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare sheets as per drawing. Set the corner joint in horizontal position. Set and tack weld the sheets. Deposit the root run. Inspect for surface defects on the weld. Now let's look at the tools and equipments required for GMAW. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder, gas regulator with flow meter, CO2 gas heater, shielding gas hoses, welding power source, wire feeders that ensure constant speed and voltage, supply of electrode wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Now, let's see the pre-welding preparations for corner joints on mild steel sheet 3 mm thick plate in horizontal position by GMAW. Let us see the pre-welding preparation of corner joints steps. Cut the MS sheet as per drawing. File the edges of sheet to square. Clean the surface of the sheets by carbon steel wire brush and filing. Set the corner joints as per specification. Wear protective clothing. Set the torch in the right position. Set current between 90 and 100 ampere. Corresponding wire feeding rate 3 to 4 meter per minute. Set 19 to 20 arc voltage and use dip transfer mode. Use 0.8 mm dia copper coated mild steel filler CCMS wire. Tack weld on both ends of the corner joints. Now let's see the welding process of corner joints on MS sheet 3 mm thick sheet in horizontal position by GMAW process. Keep the tack welded job in a horizontal position on the welding table. The gun is held perpendicular to the joint at an angle of 5 to 15 degrees forward to the direction of travel. Deposit the root run using dip transfer mode. Use stringer bead welding technique. Deposit the second run if needed. The torch movement at the edge of the top sheet of the corner joints should be controlled so that the edge is not melted off. The torch has to be paused when reaching the bottom toe of the weld for a short period so that the undercut, if developed at toe, is properly filled with filler metal. Maintain a uniform travel speed for the torch to get the required bead reinforcement, height and appearance. Use the anti-spatter spray as and when the torch nozzle gets clogged with weld spatters. Note that if this is not done, the wire feed may be irregular, causing an unestablished arc. The carbon dioxide CO2 gas flow will not be uniform, causing atmospheric contamination of the weld and porosity. Clean the bead with a steel wire brush. Inspect the welded joint for any surface defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of corner joints on MS sheet 3 mm thick sheet in horizontal position by GMAW. Check for uniform weld size and proper reinforcement. Clean the welded area. Inspect for welding defects. Let's see the defects now. Spatters. Blowholes. Uneven bead formation. Edge of the plate melted off.
Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare sheets as per drawing, set and tack weld the sheets, set the corner joint in horizontal position, deposit the bead with appropriate amount of filler metal, clean and inspect for surface defects on the weld. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.